So today is another important day. Mattresses.
Mattresses.
Is yours that thick as well?
Yep.
Jesus. It's alright, mate, I'm not filming you.
I don't mind.
You don't mind? Yeah, can I just show the thickness of that? Is that one mattress?
That is one mattress.
With a protector on it?
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
They come bigger and heavier than that.
Is that a double or a king?
I think that's a king.
Yeah, nice.
The ones you want to avoid delivering is the ones that are classed as a super king.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's one of them.
What?
Oh, thank you very much.
One of them's in there. There's
Right,
one
that's it.
super king.
You did say by the log bit then. Oh, I won't do that to you.
And the beds are getting put up tomorrow. So we're going to put these, are we putting all of these in that side room for the minute?
We're
Yeah.
gonna move them up tomorrow.
Nice. And then tomorrow, yeah, the bed's going to be built. Ooh,
One
right.
super king, two kings and two double.
Jesus Christ, look how thick that is. Like Princess and the Pea. Look at the size of that.
Oh, thanks.
And I'm not on about your arms.
It's gonna crush me.
Look at that.
It's gonna
Right,
crush
I'll
me.
put the camera down. What is going on up here? Oh, we got Lego.
I need some hair.
This room looks really messy.
Look.
Your bed's going up tomorrow as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you seen the size of their mattresses?
Yeah.
Have you gone out there and seen it, Frank?
Yeah, I have.
It's about this. It's literally about this thick from the floor.
Yeah.
Your head's going to be
You
touching
seen
your
the king?
ceiling. What?
You seen the king?
Yeah. Sick.
It'll be all tidy tomorrow, so then I can put all the stuff out. Yeah.
That bed's going to be sick.
Look behind you.
Cool. Look at that.
Give some hair.
And there's the best player,
Go.
Thiago Silva. And we're back at football tomorrow because we've had Friday off, Saturday off, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday today. 5 days you've had off. Going to be a little bit rusty, mate.
A week off.
Been holidaying in
He's had a
Blackpool.
week off.
He has had a week off. I'm going back downstairs. I'll leave you to it.
Peace. I'm out.
Look at the size of that. You enjoying that, mate? Jimmy? I think he's enjoying that. I can't believe the size of it. Right, another little job. We had to change where that flute was coming. Flue, I believe it's called, was coming out. Barney come in and did that. Brad re-pebble dashed it yesterday, so I'm just going to touch it up with my favourite paint that I painted the whole house with. As you would have seen. Took about a month, but we got there in the end. So I'm just going to use my paint and touch that in. We've got a lovely little porch area here now and a brand new door. And then just inside there, where you can normally walk, is the mattresses that are going to go on the newly built beds that Brad is doing tomorrow. All right, mate. What are you watching?
Nothing.
Chilling.
Whoop.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, yeah, cool.
Listen to this.
I won't be able to. Copyright. Turn it off, quick. Otherwise someone will grass us up and say, they use someone else's video. Look at these little teddy bears. Early night tonight. No messing. Let's say we've had 5 days off. We need to be
That
fresh.
is not my fault.
I know, it's no one's fault, but we're back at it tomorrow. Need to get them guns sorted as well, bro.
Look at yours.
It'll be like Teddy one day. Ripped up.
Ted not ripped yet.
He's not ripped yet.
Ted got a chain.
Next year he's going to
Ted
throw...
broke his chain. And he's
Next year, do you know you don't have to walk up the stairs? Ted's going to throw you 2-bedroom from down there. He's going to be that strong.
No, he's not.
Thiago Silva. Jack Greenish.
You're going to get me a new one for my birthday, aren't you?
Who is?
You.
Oh, what, you've decided what I'm getting you for your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, that's handy then.
Yeah.
Yes, Frank.
I'll
yes.
get you something for your birthday.
Oh, thanks,
What do
mate.
you want for your birthday?
Do you know when my birthday is?
Isn't it October?
Yes.
The 30th?
Oh, no.
29th?
No.
31st?
No, midway between.
15th?
No.
16th?
No.
17th?
Yes! I'm 25.
No, you're not. You're 31. You're 40.
No, I'm not 40.
41.
Not 40. Right, football's cancelled tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you in the morning, you little munchkin.
Stay here.
Nice, bright and early. Yes. What kit we wearing tomorrow?
Bend them.
Bellingham. Okay. See you in the morning.